I was lucky enough to pick up the Pocket 3 when it was released, and that came with one of the new DJI Mic 2. So I've been using it for maybe, a couple of months now. Fantastic microphone. They've just brought it out in the kit, so you can buy the transmitter, the box, the charging pack and everything. I didn't purchase that because I don't think I'm going to use it. I've already got the transmitter that I'm going to use with the Pocket 3 and the Action 4, and for me that's enough. I don't tend to really take my big camera out with me to use it with a microphone, and if I do, I've got other microphones that I use. But I did pick up the DJI Mic 2 in white because I just think it looks absolutely sick, and this is sort of a closer look at it. We've also picked up the Lav Mic because I want to be able to use it with a Lav Mic, so we've got some thoughts on that as well. So let's test it out and see what it is all about. Now, I'm a little bit disappointed, I've got to say. This hasn't got the translucent sort of effect that the black version has. This has got this sort of matte white colour, although I think it looks very, very nice. You've got the silver top there, and then you've got the silver back and the clip and everything. In white, it looks beautiful, it really does, and if you're wearing a white t-shirt in the summer, then this is going to be brilliant. It also comes with the matching wind muff in white as well. But yeah, I'm disappointed it hasn't got that translucent see-through effect. This is going to get probably quite grubby because it's got kind of that tacky, rubbery, white material. So I expect it to get a little bit dirty, just something to think about if you're thinking about getting the white version. Both look cool, both look very nice, and this has got all the same features as the black version. You've got 32-bit float in there, you've got noise cancelling, you've got low cut, you've got all the things that you want to get out of this fantastic microphone. It is brilliant, and I've been using it constantly over the last couple of months or so. It's just one of the best bits of tech of 2023-2024. It really is fantastic. So it does come in this little pouch when you buy it separately. It comes with the wind muff like I mentioned, but you get this cool little pouch which you can separate all your microphone bits and bobs. So you've got a little zip compartment here where you get the USB-A to USB-C cable in there to charge it up and to transfer the 32-bit float files to your computer. And then on this side you get a little pocket there where you can keep your wind muff inside, and then you get another pocket there so you can keep your microphone in there. So you can keep it all organized. You could even fit the black version in there, so you've got all of your DJI mic stuff you need. It is, borderline professional level audio quality with that 32-bit float in there, and the ease of connection now that you can connect it to the Action 4 without having to have any ports open. It connects via Bluetooth. That was a really, really good update, and this is probably my go-to vlogging camera now, my vlogging setup with the external audio and the DJI Action 4, because it's waterproof then as well. I can go out and about and not worry about getting damaged, letting any water into the ports. So brilliant. Of course it works with the Pocket 3 as well, so yeah, it's fantastic. And as you can see, it looks absolutely sick in white. Still a fan of the black, the shadow black as I call it. I just think that looks so good. Let's open this Lav Mic because I wanted to get one of these. I like using a Lav Mic because sometimes you don't want this hanging on you all the time, and if you've got sort of a lighter t-shirt in the summer, it can sort of drag the t-shirt down a little bit. So every now and again I like to use a Lav Mic. So they brought this one out when they released the microphone system, and I saw iPhone do a video on this, and he sort of clipped it in a wicked way, and I was impressed with that. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna buy this. It was only £35 in the UK, so decent price, and to be honest, the sound sounds pretty good. So I'm gonna just put it into the white microphone to start with. Comes with this sort of L-shaped connection which plugs into the top there, and then this wire actually goes underneath the clip, and I don't know if you can see in this. As you can see, there's like a bit of a hole there and a clip for this wire to go in. So we actually put the wire in there, it goes into there and then down there. So if you pull this, it's not going to pull out the connection. That's how they're keeping this connection in there. It hasn't got a lock, it hasn't got a twist lock, but if you put it in that way, just like that, it has got a little notch inside of that clip to put the wire in, and then when you pull it, it's not going to pull that out, so you're not going to lose connection when it's in your pocket rummaging around. Then the interesting design of this microphone is this clip actually rotates 360 degrees as well, so you can actually mount it on your t-shirt so it's facing upwards to your mouth, so you get the best audio. So let's plug this in now. This is the audio that you're listening to from the microphone, the DJI, and then I'm going to record on the white version to into the Lav Mic. So this is the Lav Mic that you're listening to now, recorded in the DJI Wireless Mic 2 with 32-bit float turned on, and then this is the microphone as it is on my shirt. This is a black one that I'm recording to now. Then we'll switch back to the Lav Mic. This is what the Lav Mic sounds like, and then this is the microphone itself. This is what it sounds like. So let me know in the comments down below what you think, if the Lav Mic sounds just as good. Hopefully it does. I've going to be using that. It's just a shame that it doesn't come in the box with a wind slayer, which is disappointing. It only comes with the pop filter. I'd like a big fluffy wind slayer to go on top of that. It doesn't fit with that one that comes with the mic, which is unfortunate, but it's still a great option for when you're out and about. Okay, so two pretty cool products there from DJI. Very impressed with them both. I love this white on the microphone, and yeah, I don't think I'm going to be picking up the full version because I just don't need it, and you all know about it already. There's no point in me making a video on it, but the white looks sick, and I'm glad I've picked one of those up, and I'll be using the Lav Mic in the coming weeks and months. Okay, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. I shall see you on the next one. Make sure you do subscribe. We've got plenty of content coming soon, loads of videos, so stay tuned, give this video a like as well. It really does help. Okay, thanks guys, see you soon, bye.